Are you ready to promote a first-to-market AI app that's about to explode in one of the biggest evergreen markets on the planet? Because what you're about to see could easily become your highest converting and most profitable launch of the year. Welcome to MateAI, the world's first AI-powered wellness business creator. With MateAI, create and launch health and wellness course website or academy in minutes, with ready-to-sell diet plans, fitness programs, recipes, ebooks, wellness prompts, and marketing content, all powered by next-gen AI. No tech skills, no writing, no website skill needed. Just enter a keyword and watch as AI builds everything. Let's face it, health and wellness isn't just a trend, it's a $5 trillion global movement. Everyone wants to look better, feel better, and live longer. But most people don't know how to turn that passion into profit. That's where MateAI comes in. It gives your audience the power to build a real online business, creating and selling premium wellness content in minutes. We've built a conversion-optimized funnel designed to print commissions, high EPCs from the very first click, recurring income streams, powerful upsells that your buyers actually love, and of course, massive launch prizes and daily contests. Early beta tests are already showing EPCs of over $4 plus on cold traffic, and that's just the beginning. Testers are calling MateAI a game changer. Marketers, coaches, influencers, they're all blown away by how easy it is to build content and start earning. This is the kind of product your subscribers want, something that truly helps them, while making you high-ticket commissions on every sale. Hey there, we are Fire Launchers, creators of MateAI. We've poured months of hard work and innovation into making this the most powerful, user-friendly AI wellness platform ever built. This isn't just another AI app. This is a full-blown business creator in one of the most lucrative niches in the world. And when you promote it, we'll make sure you get rewarded big time. The launch goes live on the 1st of December at 11 a.m. ST. And trust us, this one's going to dominate the leaderboards. We've got huge cash prizes, instant commissions, proven funnel conversion rates, dedicated JV support. So if you're ready to crush it with a high-demand product that sells itself, click the JV sign-up link below, grab your affiliate link, and lock in your spot on the leaderboard today. This is your chance to be part of something big. The AI wave is here. The wellness industry is booming, and MateAI is right at the intersection, helping people profit while changing lives. Join the MateAI JV launch today, and let's make this your most profitable partnership of the year.